Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called Quick and Easy Meals, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Buckeye Girl Decor and Lifestyle. So now here we are at my mother's house where my son and I brought her a dozen roses and they're lavender. Aren't they gorgeous? I love it. Now she absolutely loved these roses, and there she is, my beautiful mom. I so honor and love her. Hi, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. So she decided to cook me some dinner, and my son and I came over. She made us some fried fish with broccoli and onion, plantains. We had some rice and some chickpeas. It was absolutely delicious. We always have an awesome time when we come. So I'm going to leave you to some music, and I'll see you at the end. So I couldn't end the day without having a piece of flan, which is absolutely delicious. It's a custard with some caramel on top. Oh my goodness. So I shouldn't have had a piece, but I did. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.